Hello everyone, and today we have been working on an LT230, and I think my cousin might be coming out to help me on it, but yeah, got the 230 frame right here, the axles over there, there's a wheel, those two wheels are together, and so are these ones. These wheels came off of it, and so did those, but the rear end, it's right over here, and it ain't the prettiest, but the reason why we're taking it apart is that I'm going to take a grinder through every single piece of this and shining it up. Same thing goes for over here. I'm going to shine it all up. So what I do is everything's coming off of it, so I can actually build it. And my cousin was helping me yesterday and work on it. He broke a bolt down in there, and I can't really get it out, so I don't know what to do. So yeah, I'm gonna take everything off of here. Hope I don't fall off. Oh, it's gonna fall off. Okay, so I don't know what to do. So it's actually pretty light, but for some people it's heavy. For people like me, apparently I'm strong, and it's very light. By the way, for this lug nut for an LT230, it's a 24 millimeter. And if I knew what size that was in a metric or standard, I would tell you, because it's 24 metric. I actually have to have my feet on here to take it off, but I don't know how I'm gonna take it off though. The only way I know is to set the camera down and watch you guys videotape me. You guys videotape me. But I ain't in a hurry. And I guess I'm gonna set the phone down and have you guys videotape it. And have you guys watch me fail at trying to video this. How am I supposed to set this up? I am new at this, so don't judge me, please. But if you guys have any ideas, put it in the comment section below. And we're gonna get started on this thing. I'm weak. If you can't tell. I literally have to use my foot to actually get this thing loose. Oof. Oh, flip. Oh well, that's better. Okay then. But these ones I need to be careful on because as my cousin decided to put lug nuts in it, or bolts in it. So, yeah. Cousin's pretty stupid. But that's what it looks like. So now since this thing's actually on the ground, it probably won't be that bad to break these loose. I did put them on here. There we go. how long ago. And yeah, it was either this side or the other side I pulled off. I've been working with tools my whole life, so you guys cannot tell me how to use tools, because I've known how to use tools my life. So yeah, and I don't know if I'm gonna be making parts to this. I might make like 2 videos of this. This video is probably gonna be like stripping down an LT230. But for now, I'm just gonna focus on the video. Yeah. It's gonna be hectic to get off. Flip. I just do. But sometimes when I do just do, it turns out very, very badly. I mean, like, example, have to put this thing back together, about halfway back together, and I think there's a shock air filter, or the air filter, yeah, and I got a motor, but it needs rebuilt because it's a 250, pretty sure, and when my dad tried to rebuild it, he split the head, like cracked the head, so he put a 150 on it, and the thing tries to kill you. And it's gonna be going on this bike. I can stand up a China clone bike with that motor, so I don't know how the motor's gonna do on a 230 frame. 230 frame's a lot easier to do than a what's its face a China clone. Of course, she's the one my cousin broke. Where is that now? Because I'm pretty sure this ain't how it's supposed to be. But anyway, oh well. But anyway, fit in. There we go. But yeah, what I was saying is that whenever you're actually trying to build something and it doesn't go as planned, as you thought it was, as you think it might, that's when you gotta rethink your strategy. For example, that's me all the dang time. And I went ahead and decided to make YouTube videos because, hey, I like watching YouTube, so why not make some videos? Yeah, we're trying to line up evenly. Trying to line them up evenly so I can actually manage to get this stupid thing to fit. I don't know what my cousin's doing right now, but yeah. Oof. LT230. So, if you guys like making YouTube videos, or if you're YouTubers, congrats. I don't like doing that subscribe thing. I just do this for fun. But I ain't gonna stop you guys from subscribing. If you want to, go ahead. I ain't gonna judge you. I ain't gonna make you guys say. I ain't gonna make you guys hit that subscribe button. But anyway, I don't even care about the like button. I don't make money off of it, so I really don't care. But it just ain't about money. So this is a 230, and well, I hope you guys liked it. And once I make another video about it, this side's gonna be completely off. I'm gonna be working on this side. Then the coil, the headlight, handlebars, flipping monster grips, a China clone throttle, I'm saying that this thing is gonna be nothing but a fame when I'm finished with it. So I hope you guys like this video. I ain't really used to this. I've actually never made a video in my life, so I have, but I hardly ever talk in it. But my actual first video. But yeah, if you guys want me to make a video of me actually taking it apart, just ask. So I hope you like this video. But if you do, don't, like I said, don't give subscribe or not. Don't give hit the like button or not. Just comment down below if you liked it or not. Make more of explaining what I'm gonna do. Then do it. Next video, you see, like I said, that side's gonna be all the way off. That side's gonna be next, and I might do that one in the next video. But if I can, I'll have this side hanging around those branches up there, and also the rear end. But I'm not taking off the axle. But yeah, and I'm also waiting for my video. I'm waiting for my account to get registered to go live, and everything like that. The reason why I have this thing here, the reason why I'm taking it apart, is because, as you can see, it's white. It used to not be white. It used to be blue when it was here. But my cousin decided to throw paint all over it, and so that's coming apart. To take all that paint off of it with the grinder, just like the rear end. So if you want me to make parts, just ask. Like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, something like that. So yeah, goodbye.